Welcome to Tea and Coffee Explorers. Today, we're diving into the world of coffee brewing methods. Whether you're a French press fan or an AeroPress enthusiast, we've got you covered. First up, the French press. This method gives you rich, full-bodied coffee. The downside? It can leave sediment in your cup. Next, the pour-over. It's perfect for highlighting complex flavors, but it requires precision and time. Love strong coffee? The espresso machine is your friend. It delivers bold, concentrated coffee, but it's pricey and takes up space. Then we have the AeroPress. It's versatile and portable, making it great for travel. However, it brews smaller quantities. Lastly, the cold brew. It's smooth and less acidic, but it takes a long time to prepare. There you have it, explorers. Each method has its unique pros and cons. Find your favorite and happy brewing. Thanks for tuning in to Tea and Coffee Explorers. Looking to enhance your coffee or tea experience? Visit our affiliated links for recommended products and exclusive deals. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. See you next time.